ingredients are chosen. Now let's wash them. Wash the ingredients. Turn on the water and rinse. All clean. Let's turn off the water. Add some fruit and veggie wash to clean them better. Scrub and scrub. The cleaner they are, the healthier you are. Let's wash the bubbles off. Turn on the water and rinse the bubbles. All clean. Let's turn... Let's deal with the ingredients. Start cooking. Let's fry the food. Let's deal with the ingredients. Cumin. My friends will arrive soon. Let's get the food on plates. Add some veggies. Squirt some sauce to add some. Sprinkle the spices. The tasty salad is ready. Aha! All the food is ready. Kiki, we're here. Welcome. Come in then.
Hi.
Look, I prepared salad and a bunch of snacks. You get to have a nice big meal. This salad is amazing. This salad tastes great. I'm gonna make another. Just wait for me. Let's make another salad. Choose some ingredients for your salad.